ready. Tidal before starting engines. Battery switch.
On good voltage.
Parking brake.
Set.
Wheel chocks.
Removed.
Pre-flight.
Complete.
Cabin door.
Closed and locked.
Passenger briefing.
Complete.
Seats and rudder pedals.
Good left. Good right.
Belts and harnesses.
Good left. Good right.
Air conditioning switch.
Off.
Cockpit lights.
Set.
Rotating beacon.
On.
Complete. Tidal starting engines. Generators.
Both on.
First engine.
Okay, number 2. Fuel flow. Light off. Oil pressure's coming up. And we have rotation. Temperature's good. Oil pressure's up. Alright, good start.
Engine instruments.
All good, no flags.
Second engine.
Number 1, that's good. Fuel flow. Oil pressure's coming up, light off. Rotation. Temperature's good, oil pressure's coming up. Alright, good start. All engine instruments look great.
Engine instruments. External power.
Removed.
Generators
Are on.
complete. Tidal after start. AC power and master avionics switches.
Are on.
DC amps and volts.
Checking. There's our master warning. That looks good. Then we're doing an inverter test. That's good. That's good. Okay.
Circuit breakers.
Good left. Right. Good right. Good.
Standby gyro.
Is on.
Passenger advisory lights.
Set.
Anti-skid.
On and showing normal.
Radar.
Standby.
Pressurization.
Like 310 on the way home.
Speed 3 ground, 3138 Whiskey. I'm at Epps, ready for clearance and with Yankee.
November 3138 Whiskey, Peachtree ground, cleared.
Temperature control and foot warmers.
Airport via radar vectors to Nello, direct to Chile,
Gyro pressure.
and direct. On departure, maintain 3,000, expect 8,000, 5 minutes after
Battery
departure.
temp.
Departure frequency 126.9 or
Flight controls and speed brakes.
150.
Speed brakes are up on my side.
Okay,
There
3
they are.
Whiskey, fly radar
Flaps.
to Nello, then to Chile.
20.
Climb, maintain 3,000, expect 8,000, 5 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.9 or 7. Squawk
Tidal, taxi.
150.
Okay, we'll get a clearance. Yeah, it's on 121.6. We have Yankee is 320, so it's runway, will be taxi.
Roger that. I'm
Bravo
ready
to
to taxi.
Alpha.
I'll catch Zulu on the way down.
So great right there.
Whiskey, Roger, take it right up.
Complete.
Go ahead.
Tidal before takeoff.
Go ahead.
Anti-ice.
All off.
Standby gyro.
Uncaged.
Flaps and trim.
20 and 1, 2, 3.
Takeoff data.
Alright, so
Is that the right one? Yeah, that's that one there.
this one.
Yes.
V1's 81, VR 87, V2 95.
Okay, 95 set.
81 set.
Citation 705 Sierra Papa, Peachtree Tower, cross runway 3 left, hold short, runway 3 right. Cross 3 left, hold short 3 right, 5 Sierra Papa.
Okay, we're crossing 3 left and we hold short at the next one.
Crew briefing.
Standard static takeoff,
417
standard order procedures, and we're direct to, we're runway heading, or vectors to no town, or no to.
Passenger advisory lights.
Hold there. You can tell the tower we're ready.
And 5 Sierra Papa, ready when you are. Citation 5 Sierra Papa, fly runway heading, runway 3 right, clear for takeoff, wind 280 at 5. And runway heading, clear for takeoff, 5 Sierra Papa.
Clear for takeoff, cross the line, runway heading. So we're runway heading to 3,000. Alright, checklist.
Passengers
We're good.
holding at the line.
Tower 417 Kilo Charlie.
Exterior lights.
Say again.
Transponder.
Flight 417 Kilo Charlie, Peachtree.
Radar.
Runway 3
Stand
right,
by.
clear to land, wind.
Pressurization source.
Full land 3 right.
Ignition.
Is on.
Pitot heat.
On.
Annunciator
All
panel.
clear.
Engine instruments.
I see. All good. No flags. You good?
Passenger safety.
Call.
There we go.
Okay. Here we go. 97.4. No, 98.2. That's the shoot.
Good.
Here we go.
Citation 90 Sierra Juliet, Peachtree Tower, cross runway 3 left, hold short runway 3 right.
Cross 3 left, hold short 3 right,
sides.
90 Juliet.
70 knots. Checks. V1 and rotate. Positive brake.
Gear up. Yaw damper.
Yaw damper's on.
Tidal. After takeoff. Climb. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Landing lights.
Off.
Yaw damper.
On.
Flaps.
Flaps up.
0 Sierra Juliet, can you accept an immediate?
Yes, we can accept
Flaps up.
immediate 90 Juliet.
Ignition.
Citation 0 Sierra Juliet, fly runway heading, runway 3
Come on.
right, clear for immediate takeoff, traffic, 2
Going
miles
to
out
go.
for your runway.
Climb power.
Clear for immediate takeoff 3 right, 90 Juliet.
Flight 7 Kilo Charlie, traffic departing prior to your arrival, citation. 7 Kilo Charlie, there in sight. Citation 5 Sierra Papa, continue the runway heading, contact Atlanta departure, safe flight. Alright, contact departure, 5 Sierra Papa, then we'll continue runway heading.
Correction, Charlie Foxtrot, Golf Mike Foxtrot, just to verify, you said about 30 miles off your current heading for this work?
Yeah, about 30 miles to our Silver station, then heading Charlie Golf Mike Fox. And departure, citation 705 Sierra Papa, to 3,000 on the Peachtree.
Number 705 Sierra Papa, ident flighting 350.
350 on ident, 5 Sierra Papa.
Number 5 Sierra Papa, Missy, ident climb and maintain 900,000. No delay, accelerate today, please.
Up to 9,000, 5 Sierra Papa, no delay on stop.
Departure
9,000.
90 Juliet, runway heading 2,500, climbing 3,000.
No delay.
Number 90 Sierra Juliet, Atlanta departure, ident climb and maintain
9,000, we're all set.
Climbing 9,000, 90 Juliet.
Number 90 Sierra Juliet, radar contact 2 miles northeast of the KPDK.
Traffic citation 705 Sierra Papa is 1 to the east, inbound landing, runway 22 climb.
And checklist. What about a checklist we have? Is the
Passenger advisory lights.
set. Go ahead with the approach.
Tidal. Approach. Belts and harnesses.
Good left.
Landing data.
Set.
Crew briefing.
Visual 2-2, we're going to use the visual approach there.
Flight instruments radio altimeter.
Good left. Good right. Okay, there we go.
Fuel cross speed.
Off.
Traffic 377 Echo Sierra, departing left,
Pressurization.
Set for the field, normal.
Speed brakes.
Speed brakes retracted.
Flaps.
Hold there. Happy's on. Alright, gear down. Landing checklist.
Tidal. Before landing. Passenger advisory lights.
Set.
Engine sync.
Off.
Landing gear.
Down at 3 green.
3 green up.
Landing lights. Anti-skid.
On and normal.
Ignition.
On.
Flaps.
Full flaps.
Autopilot and yaw damper.
It's off. Off.
Annunciator panel.
It's clear.
Complete.
Don't see what you see.
Okay, we're about to turn a 3.5 mile final.
And quick mechanic traffic, citation 705, Papa, turn in the 3.5 mile final runway 22 Clement.
Alright, turn a final.
Indy regional traffic, citation 884 Bravo, about 20 miles south for landing runway 25, Indy regional.
Nice, slow turn in this bumpy air.
Ground speed's about 88.
Oh, wow.
Or ref and a few.
Take it up a little more.
You guys decide when you see. Deal, we'll keep visual. Thank you.
Alright, getting on final now. Alright, flying down.
Ref and a few.
What do you got, ref in? Okay. I'm showing about. Yeah, starting now.
We're about ref 20.
Slowing and going down.
Down about
3 green. Good to land.
let's see, down about 7.
Closing traffic, 121 Uniform Charlie is 3 miles to the northeast, straight in, full stop on the RNAV 22, Clement County. Clement County traffic, citation 705, Papa's on. 1 mile final, runway 22 Clement. Is Claremont County Airport. Automated weather observation 1613. Zulu weather wind 220 at 10 gust 17.
Gust of 17 from 10, so about 7 gust factor. Ref plus 5. Spoilers are out.
I have brakes.
You got 6 lights. There's 60.
Idle. Let's put it down.
Spoilers coming back up.
Flaps up after landing.
Tidal after landing. Windshield bleed air switch.
Off.
Windshield bleed air valves.
Closed.
Pitot heat.
Normal.
Ignition.
Off.
Anti-ice.
All off.
Exterior lights.
Set. Or no, they're not. Thank you.
Flaps.
Flaps are up.
Speed brakes.
Retracted.
Transponder.
Crown.
Radar.
Stand by.
Complete.
Color traffic, 120 uniform.
Tidal shutdown.
Final to the northeast, straight in, full stop, R922. Okay.
And overhead fans.
Shut down. Yeah.
Off.
Air conditioning switch.
Is off.
Parking brake.
Off.
Throttles.
Cut off. Heat's
Exterior
good.
lights.
Set.
Rotating beacons.
It's off.
Radar.
Stand by.
Passenger advisory lights.
Off.
Emergency gyro.
Off caged.
AC power and master
So we got,
avionics switches.
we'll call that 15. Yeah, that's exactly what
Fuel quantity and hobs.
15.
Battery switch.